Caution before assembly. Please put the product on the flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Fix A to B with 4 screws G. Attention! Please fasten each screw by 90%. Fix the foot pad to the bottom of frame A and B. Or you can also use felt pad on the bottom of frame A and B. Fix C to frame A and B with 6 screws F. Fasten all the screws fully. Before fixing the mounting plate to the connector, you can choose the correct mounting plate in this way. Fix D to cam with 2 screws F. Fix E to K with 2 screws F. Fix D to A with 4 screws F. Fix E to B with 4 screws F. Fix D and E to the frame A and B with 8 screws F. The holes are used for assembly of the tabletop. Attention! Tabletop is not included in the package of the table base. No screws are supplied to fix the tabletop with table frame. Warning: please use correct length of screws, depending the thickness of tabletop. Please use correct type of screws depending the material of tabletop, wooden, steel, etc.